Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about haircut ideas for older women. As we grow, our hair changes something. It becomes thinner, softer or loses volume. But the good news is the right haircut can make your hair look fresh, youthful and full of life. So let's explore some beautiful and simple haircut ideas. Soft short pixie cut. Let's start with a classic favorite, the soft pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, light and very easy to manage. It gives the face a bright and fresh look. This style works great for women who want a fresh haircut that still looks stylish. Chin length bob. Next we have the chin length bob. This haircut is perfect because it frames the face softly and adds volume to the hair. The length makes it easy to style straight, wavy or a little curled at the ends. Shoulder length layers. If you prefer medium length, try shoulder length layers. Long soft layers for women who love keeping their hair long. Don't worry, long hair can look stunning at any age. Adding soft, gentle layers helps the hair feel lighter and look more lively. These layers also frame the face beautifully and make long hair easier to manage. The modern shag cut. Another lovely idea is the modern shag haircut. This style has light layers and a slightly messy natural look. It adds volume on top and gives the hair a lot of texture. Side swap bangs. If you want a small change that makes a big difference, try side swap bangs that instantly soften the face and add a youthful touch. Side bangs work beautifully with bobs, shoulder length cuts or even long layered hair. Cotton bangs for a gentle, elegant look. Cotton bangs are a lovely option. These bangs part in the middle and fall softly on both sides on the face. They blend easily with layered hair and give a fresh, stylish appearance without needing a lot of maintenance. Classic blunt cut. If you like clean, sharp style, try a classic blunt cut. No matter which haircut you choose, here are a few simple tips. Keep your hair moisturized. It helps with shine and softness. Add light layers but avoid too many. They can make hair look thin. Trim your hair every few months to maintain the shape. Choose a style that feels comfortable and makes you happy. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.